The Windows 11 25H2 version is finally about to be released very soon, and the Tiny11 team has already dropped the 25H2. So in this video, I'll show you how to install the brand new Tiny11 25H2, a super lightweight and fast version of Windows 11, perfect for older or low-spec devices. Whether you're a beginner or tech-savvy, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to get Tiny11, so make sure you watch the video till the end. Before we start, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. So guys, the first thing you need to do is download Tiny11 25H2 and create a bootable USB with it, which will help us install this operating system. I'll share the Google Drive link with you, so check it out in the description. From there you can download the ISO file and Rufus. Go ahead and download it, and as soon as the download finishes, click on it, and a dashboard like this will appear. Now, you need to connect your pen drive, the one you want to make bootable. Look at the drop-down, click on it, and select your correct USB. In the boot selection, click Select, then locate where you've downloaded Tiny11's ISO file, select it, open it, and set the volume label. Just click on Start, then click OK, and wait until the bootable USB is created. Once it's done, we'll go over the installation steps, which are really easy. So it's showing as ready. You just need to click on Close here. After plugging in the bootable USB, restart your device and press the key for your BIOS like F10 or F9 so you can change the boot priority order. Alright, just select the USB device from here and hit Enter. Now if you're installing on your old system where Windows 10 or Windows 11 is already there, you'll see all your partitions listed like this. If you want to keep any partition, that's up to you. But if you want to do a fresh install, you'll need to delete everything. So I'm going for a fresh install here. So I'm going to delete all the partitions here. I'll select this drive and click Next. Windows will start installing now. You can see Tiny11 has been installed successfully, and it is running very smoothly on our PC. If you found this video helpful, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.